Hey everyone, in this FreeCad tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Additive Pipe feature, a tool that lets you sweep a shape along a custom path. It's perfect for things like pipes, wires, handles, and tubes. Let's get started. First, let's make a path. So create body, create sketch, XY plane. I'll use the pull line tool, make a simple shape. Now we will constrain it. Now our sketch is fully constrained. The sketch will define the center line for our pipe. So close the sketch. Now we create the profile, the shape we want to sweep along the path. Firstly, we need a new sketch and a plane perpendicular to the path start. To do this, we are going to make the dead end plane, select references, this point and this point, move it in the Z direction by 2.5 millimeters. Click OK. Select the plane, create sketch. My profile will be a square, 4 by 4 millimeters. Close. Now we will hide the dead end plane by pressing space. With both sketches ready, click on Additive Pipe. Choose your path. And the profile. Now you can see it's really flat on this side, so the corner transition will be right corner. Click OK. And now we made a simple handle using the additive pipe. You can use different shapes for the profile, even open sketches. And if your pipe twists weirdly, try using finite or fixed orientation in the options. That's how you use the additive pipe in FreeCAD. Like the video if it helped and subscribe for more short and useful FreeCAD tutorials. See you soon.